Bill Goudy checking in. I got a tip from Molly Purcell. I got to try these out. Palm hearts. Says it's like pasta. I just happen to have some pasta sauce. I'm going to go ahead and chop up some onion, mushroom. I have some previously cooked deer meat. And there's some yellow bell pepper in that, which won't hurt a thing. I'm going to toss them all in a pan and bring them to temperature. I think what I'm going to do is cook. I won't add those right away. I'll put everything in and cook it till the onions are tender, and then I'll throw those in and bring them up to temperature and give that a try. But on top of that, I wasn't planning on having that tonight. No, I'll tell you what I got going on over here. I got some chicken wings going over here, and I'm going to try the Tennessee Tornado. The Tennessee Tornado sent this to me. Nashville's hot chicken sauce. Yeah, got to give that a try. And it's raining, and they're saying more rain tonight. So, hey, it worked out good. I could use that toaster oven. And, yeah, it's cold, so I don't want to make the fire down a little. I want to keep that fire going. So, I'm going to wing it tonight, yeah? I'm going to wing it. Let's see how that comes out. Shall we? Palm heart. I'll tell you, it is really good. You know, I would liken this to goulash. And I haven't had a good goulash in, yeah, well, I'll tell you what, since 2015, I think that's the last time I had any pasta. Oh, look at the goodness. I gotta tell you, it lives up to its name. Oh yeah, almost way hot. It's a slow burn, and it's a good slow burn. Oh, thank you, Bryan. Sure do appreciate it. Excellent opportunity. Sure is. Here we go. And here I have my wings with my Nashville hot sauce. And here I have my palm hearts from Walmart. I got them at Walmart, but it's the recipe, well, supposed recipe, a suggested recipe from Molly Purcell. I'm anxious to try this. I really am. You know, I could only find the generic. I could only find the great value palm hearts. I couldn't find the premium ones that she had, but she had both actually, and they are good. Oh, and that sauce is real good. I highly recommend that. Not quite in the palm hearts, in the generic palm hearts, they come as a long roll, and I cut them up. It's not quite the same texture as the spaghetti or pasta. But I tell you what, excuse me, that is really, really good. Now, let's try one of these flats. I love these. I just love the flats. Now I put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on there and the Nashville hot sauce. Tender. That is good. Yeah, that is, yeah. I recommend both of those. Thank you, Bryan. Tennessee Tornado. Thank you, Molly. This is an excellent recipe. It's not pasta. I haven't had pasta since 2015. I don't believe. Well, this is just as good, if not better. I think a can of those Palm Hearts is $2.69. I got that red pasta on sale. That's ragu. That was $1.25. How can you pass that up? Oh, that's so good. That's messy too. Got to wash it down with a vessel of amber fluid. That's good. Thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out.